OpenAI just launched GPT-5 and it's the biggest upgrade we have seen yet. This new model is not just smarter, it's faster, more helpful, and way better at thinking like reasoning, coding, and even holding natural conversation. Whether you are a developer, a business, or just a regular user, GPT-5 brings something exciting for everyone. Now, let's break it down. GPT-5 is available right now to everyone, even for the free users. Yes, unlimited access. But if you are on the paid plans like Plus, Pro, or Team, you will get access to the higher level of intelligence and few more advanced features. For businesses, GPT-5 is already live and other versions like Team, Enterprise and Educations are launching on the August 14. So, what can GPT-5 can actually do? First of all, it's seriously good at reasoning and solving complex problems. It can handle tough subjects like math, finance, law and science better than ever before. If you give it multi-step tasks, it does not just answer, it can actually plan ahead and complete it step by step, kind of like digital assistant that can think for itself. And if you are a developer, this model is a dream. GPT-5 can now write high quality codes, build full user interface and even create full app just from the one or two sentence of instructions. In one demo, it made a French learning website in seconds. OpenAI is calling this vibe coding, where the AI builds something just from a general feel or idea you give it. But that's not all. GPT-5 is a multimodal. That means it can understand not just text but also image, audio and videos. It can read, listen, speak and even respond what it sees. This is a huge step toward more natural human-like interactions. There is also new feature for customizing how it's talks. You can now choose from the preset personalities like clinic, nerd, listener or robot. Each one speak in a unique style. Whether you want something sarcastic, super logical or just friendly and supportive, GPT-5 can now adapt. Voice interaction are more improved too, with better clarity and tone. There is a new study mode for people who want to more step-by-step learning. Now GPT-5 is not just one model, it's come in a different version for different needs. There is a full version like GPT-5 model for high-performing tasks, GPT-5 mini for light use, GPT-5 nano for basic budget-friendly jobs, and GPT-5 chat, which is made for context-aware conversations, especially in businesses. Behind the scene, OpenAI has added new API settings too. Developer can control how much reasoning the model does and how long and detailed responses are. This gives them more flexibilities when building apps or tools with GPT-5. So how people are using it? It's being used for writing, research, code generation, customer support and automating workflows. With nearly 700 million weekly users and 5 million paid business users, demand is clearly sky high. When it comes to pricing, they are not even 100% clear yet. Free users get unlimited access, but paid users offer more powerful features. There are also rumors of $200 per month top-tier, top-level access, but this has not confirmed yet. GPT-5 is also part of Microsoft Copilot and GitHub tools, so if you are using those, you might already have the access it without realizing. In short, GPT-5 is a big step forward. It's smart, faster, and more flexible, and more helpful than anything OpenAI has released before. Whether you are a student, a business, or just a casual user, these versions open up a ton of new possibilities. So, what would you use ChatGPT-5 for? Let us know in the comment section and don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to more update like this.